What's up everyone? So today trip we are actually going to Gandikota and Belam Caves. Belam Caves is a really old cave. That is where we are going now. We are on halfway through and just got a time to record this. So there are this beautiful temple here. So with all our friends in Amit's new car.
Hello. We are all excited for our new trip to Gandikota.
Gandikota and?
Belam Caves.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. So I'll be driving. Let's go. See you at a different spot.
First breakfast.
We have started the second day. Closed, no? We have started the second day. First day we were not able to go because it was evening. It had become night, and we overstayed there, and then now we are on our way to Gandikota with the breakfast. So, Shruti, how are you feeling on the second day?
Awesome, full energetic.
That's how you say energetic.
Full no energetic. We are about to eat tiffin. So we are on the way searching for a good restaurant.
What's up? Hey! What's up?
Yeah, what's up? What's
We all
up?
are excited.
Amit, you drive Amit.
He's too excited for camera.
Yeah.
Should we have good here?
It's too crowded.
Should we have here? Amit?
Yeah.
This is the entrance for the fort. So once we entered the Gandikota fort, we actually took a lot of photos and videos in front of the Charminar that was there, and we spent some time, quality time there, and then we headed towards the main place we had come for, the Great Grand Canyon, Gandikota. So we came to the edge of the fort.
Somebody will hold your hand, then you go.
Hey,
Hey!
See the fort there? This view is much better.
Yeah.
We are at the edge of the Gandikota Grand Canyon here. Look at the beauty of this. And we are at the edge. Shruti, here at the edge.
I'm feeling awesome.
This place, Gandikota, being so close from Bangalore in Andhra, of course, we never came from past so many years, maybe 31 years. You should all, guys, all should
Babu,
come.
you are 33.
Don't miss this opportunity to come to this place. If you miss the Great Grand Canyon in US, trust me, this is worth coming here. You will not be able to trek it down. If you are a little bit more adventurous, definitely you can, but otherwise it's just fine enough to just come on top of this and have a great view here like we are having, right?
Yeah, it's very nice. Beautiful place.
So nicely built. You can see the fort, the entire fort border you can see here. This is the fort border, so no one should invade this place. I hope you like the aerial view of the Grand Canyon as and when we started exploring and enjoying Grand Canyon. It started raining and we had to rush towards our room, and then next day we had to plan for the Belam Caves. See you at the Belam Caves. Awesome, awesome.
What is that? Oh, child, your sound.
It'll be so much fun, man. And then we are going
to waterfall. No, Shruti?
Yes.
Yeah, Gandikota waterfall. Yeah. And we had very good heavy lunch also.
Party by Amit.
Party by Amit for the first time after his marriage.
So we are late for Belem Caves. We've passed the time. So
Okay,
if you're
now-
coming to Belem Caves, it is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Since we were completely late for the Belem Caves entrance, we had to look for rooms to stay nearby, and then we could find some rooms. And then when we inquired, we found out that there are rooms inside the Belem Caves compound that is maintained by the Andhra Pradesh government itself. It was very neat and clean and quite cheap as well. And we stayed there, and then next morning we did a little bit of jogging, walking, and then exploring the surrounding places before we could start heading towards the caves.
We're on our way, and we saw this suburb here on the way, and then we saw this, our childhood favorite. We're going to swing on this for a while. This took us almost around 2.5 hours to reach here, and it is worth coming to this place. Why overacting? Why overacting? Why overacting? So finally we are in Belem Caves. Getting finally we are in Belem Caves here.
We are in Belem Caves after 9 much awaited trip.
So as soon as you enter, you will be welcomed by this here. Huh? Even if it's not corona, you just have to wear mask because it stinks here because a lot of bats here. It's all this, the same lime rocks. Hamid, you see here? I think it was breaking, they made a patch.
Yeah, man, looks nice. I asked them to wait.
It's actually the natural formation. You should see this. I'm really surprised. I have not visited this place. My God, look at this water. Maybe you're sweeping. This is my first time experience inside the cave. Such a big cave. Never been to any of the caves anywhere. This is my first experience. Sometimes it was narrow place to go in, no? This is one of the biggest ones, Shivaji. This is the biggest cave.
No, second biggest.
First one?
First one is in Assam or something.
ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? What is there inside? See, I think it just falls, keeps falling, Shivaji. Shivaji, so scary.
Oh my god.
So you're sweating? Sweating?
Scary and sweating.
This is this Akasha Ganga. There's water flowing inside the cave. Wow. See this? There's water flowing inside the cave. Water is so fresh. So clean. Water is inside the cave. There's linga also there. Oh, it was a very narrow passage. You see this passage? Very, very narrow. It is called Partale Gange. And the name says, should we go this side?
No,
Why?
it is under. Don't use it. It's under damage.
Careful, Lagi. Huh? That's the Patala Ganga, and this is Maya Mandiram. So they have two more options here now. Y Junction, Kotilingam, and then Maya Mandiram. Look at her shoe halat. Shoe. Crocs halat. Sticky. If you're wearing chappal, you might almost give up on your chappal. I see so many chappals there. They have given up on the chappal because it was not feasible to walk along with that. So we gave up on the Maya Mandiram. We are trying Kotilingam, if that is good. So this is a different rock formation here. Lot of lime formation. Cockroach. Too small. See this? I'm just bending. Not possible. So I'm going back. So, we could not find anything inside. So we're guessing this is what they're calling as Kotilinga. So the Ulta Linga formation. Risky idre beda.
It's not that risky.
%30% is what I can see is, lightened. Otherwise there is no lights inside. We have to manage with the phone's light. You see, now the lights are gone, and we have to use our phone lights. Ide Prabha?
No.
Ikade. So we are at the dead end. Finally one dead end. Otherwise we did not find any dead end so far. Okay, let's go, Shivaji.
ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನೀವು
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಲಿಂಗ
ಓಡದ ಮರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಡದ ಮರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ತೆಲುಗು
ಹಳದ ಮರ ತರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ
ಮಂಟಪ.
Nice. See, this is, what is the name, Shivaji?
Just mandapam.
Mantapam. So it's like a big hall. You see there to put fire, and maybe people used to sit and meditate. Buddhist people long back.
That is it for now. I have covered every point possible inside the Belem caves, and I could not record much because my camera battery died. And I guess I have covered enough in the Gandikota as well. And this video is just for entertainment and visual purpose, not for other facts and fictions. And if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. And if you want me to visit any other place near Bangalore, do let me know in the comment down below. So until the next video, peace.